beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kaya and today we are going to be doing our makeup. I just did my eyebrows really quickly. I have some hyperpigmentations from some breakouts, so I'm going to use my NYX Pro Fix Stick Correcting Concealer. This is in the color Brick Red, the color that I'm going to use to spot correct real quick. And I'm sorry, y'all, it's a bunch of noise outside. Like, I don't know what is going on. So I'm going to just go ahead and blend this out with my brush from e.l.f. Putty Primer Applicator brush. So I think I put on a little much, but it's okay. We're just going to keep going. I always start with my eyes first, and I'm going to be using my Warrior 2 palette from Juvia, and I'm going to be going in with Yoded. I'm just going to take Yoded right above my crease all the way through. So from end to end, right above my crease. Now I'm going to use a different brush. This is the next brush that I'm going to use. I got it as a gift. It's just a flat brush. I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to pick up Kana. She's right here at the bottom. I'm going to pick her up. I'm not even worried about blending right now. I'm just going to push her into my lid. This just brightens everything up, and I'm doing this. I'm going into the inner corner, my inner tear duct corner, and I'm going all over my lid where my crease meets and just pushing her in. Real simple eyes. After that, I'm just going to use my hand to kind of blend in that crease area where the two colors meet. You really don't have to do too much because these colors complement each other. Now we're going to draw on our liner using our NYX Professional Epic Ink liner. Got these lashes a while ago and I haven't tried them yet, so I'm going to put these lashes on. Oh my gosh, y'all, these are like, I haven't had this thick of a lash on in so long. I don't know how to feel about it, but whatever, they're on, so we're gonna continue the process. Alrighty, now we're about to start on the face, and I absolutely love Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm Powder. Love this stuff. Already about to hit pan. It's not considered a foundation. I've seen a lot of girls just wear it as something underneath their skin. If you have oily or oily combination skin, or your skin just gets oily under your makeup if you're wearing it all day, I highly recommend this product because it has literally, when it comes to my makeup, it's changed the game. I wear it honestly as a foundation. It's not thick. I would say it's light to medium coverage for sure, but I think it is buildable. You're putting powder on top of it and everything else, so you don't really need too much. That's something I've learned as I matured. Maturing is understanding you don't really need too many layers. It just makes your makeup just sit just a little cakey. I don't like it. But even see how it's covering up that corrector. I don't take it underneath my eyes because, again, concealer's going there, so I don't think I need it. Alrighty, and the concealer that I'm going to use today is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in the color Chai. Chai is a really good color for me. I feel like she blends really nicely into my skin tone, and then also the undertones of this, the Danessa Myricks.
Can I feel that my eyelids are so much, girl.
Next, I'm going to go into a little bit of liquid contour and bronzing with my Juvia's Place. This Juvia's Place liquid bronzer in the color Rich Cocoa. You do not need a lot of this product. Please, girlies, listen to me when I say. That's all I'm going to put over here. Alright, that's it. Blend out. Look at that. It's like already so much. But you're just going to continue to blend into toward the nose and then a little up. But keep it there. Don't go crazy. Take the excess onto the nose and blend up into the brow. Alright, so now we're going to go into our liquid blush. And for liquid blush, we're going to start off with our Juvia's Place liquid blush in the color Joy. No, I'm sorry. This is the color Pink Lady. Please don't put a lot. I'm talking to myself, y'all. You don't need a lot of this product. I'm telling you, a little bit goes a long way. Alright, we're just going to buff this out. And keep it basically in this area. You want to just keep, oh gosh, you want to keep the blush in this area. Okay, for the second liquid blush color, I'm going to go in with my Sephora Lip Stain in the color 67. This is how she looks. This one I'm going to bring a little bit more forward, down. And again, you want to just focus in that area first and then blend out the edges. So now we're going to go into our Patrick Ta Duo Blush Palette. This is the She's a Doll one. And we're going to pull up this powder right here. We're going to use that to set our blush, our liquid blush. Pinky Vibe, I've been loving seeing it. And honestly, it's been my, oh my gosh, I've been like, oh, I love all the looks that the girls are making with the pink. And I'm just so glad that we, as in the brown, darker skin toned community, can participate, because the colors are actually very pigmented. Pinky, pinky, pinky. To set underneath my eyes, I am going to be using my One Size setting powder in the color Ultra Pink. So I put her on I tap into her with this triangle brush, and I'm gonna just set a little bit here and then take her underneath my eye. The rest of my concealer areas I'm going to set with my Laura Mercier setting powder in the color translucent medium deep. Now we're just gonna go ahead and pat the rest of that powder basically in the face and kind of like swift off any unnecessary like layers of powder that don't need to be in place. Now we're going to take our Charlotte Tilbury setting powder in the color 4 Deep and set the rest of the face. All right, girlies, let's go ahead and spray our face with our One Size settings powder. One Size setting spray. For lips today, sorry, I'm moving. We're gonna start with our Morphe Trendsetter as the lip liner today. And I am gonna color in my upper lip a little bit more because I like a darker upper lip. Next, I'm going to fill in my lips with my MAC lipstick. This is in the color Teddy 2.0. This is their Powder Kiss lipstick. I like Teddy a lot. Teddy is that girl. Alrighty, so the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and go on top of this with a clear gloss. Today I'm using my Fenty Glass Slipper lip gloss. About done. Look where she at. Homegirl is about done. Anyways. All right, and that is the finished look. I hope you guys truly love it. I think this is super cute. It's such a vibe. It's so pinky and so cute. And thank you guys so much for tuning in to this makeup video. Very quick and soft glam look. I hope that you like this. And if you did like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this from your girl, Kaya. I'll see you in the next video.